पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निंदा करते हुए अभिभावकों ने सीबीआई जांच के लिए अपना समर्थन व्यक्त किया और जिम्मेदार लोगों के लिए कड़ी सजा की मांग की। समूह ने मुख्यमंत्री से अपील की है कि वे केंद्र सरकार को अपनी चिंताओं से अवगत कराएं और यह सुनिश्चित करें कि पेपर लीक कांड के जवाब में लिए गए फैसलों से राज्य के छात्रों पर प्रतिकूल प्रभाव न पड़े। जैसे ही 8 जुलाई 2024 को इस मुद्दे पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुनवाई नजदीक आ रही है, माता पिता एक समाधान की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में नीट परीक्षा प्रतिक्रिया की अखंडता को बनाए रखेगा।
Today we are here on 1st July 2024. We are the parents and the guardians of Arunachal Pradesh students need qualified forum. My name is Mr. G.K. Tanya, Arunachal Pradesh student need qualified parents forum का chairman. In my left side, Mr. Lekha Khaya, vice chairman of the same organization and same forum. In my right side, Mrs. Annie Manglang, representing the Omin wing or the on behalf of mothers of the need qualified Arunachal Pradesh student. Then today we are here to humbly represent or express our genuine grievances over the so-called NEET PISCO, in where the matter is reached at Supreme Court and some of the organizations, without taking the name of party or without taking the political angle, they are agitating and protesting for the ReNET. We are here to represent and protest for the Arunachal Pradesh students, NEET cracked students, for no ReNET. Our main subject and the main matter to press briefing today is for no ReNET in Arunachal Pradesh, because in Arunachal Pradesh there have been no any irregularities, any paper leakage in the NEET exam conducted on 5th May 2024. Our brilliant students who have secured good marks and good rankings after attempting second to third times have secured good marks and cracked and NEET exam 2024, then why the students or innocent students who has no fault should harassed and punished for NEET examination? Therefore, we the parents, guardians, father, mother, relatives of the brilliant students who cracked and qualified NEET exam 2024 from the Arunachal side, Arunachal state, are strongly urge our Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Sri Pema Khanduji. We have submitted our memorandum too today at his office chamber. We have given the copies to the Honorable Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court of India. We have also submitted our representation to the Honorable Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, giving copy to the Chief Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, giving copies to both the members of parliaments, Arunachal Pradesh East and the West Parliamentary Constituency, for redressing and further needful action to the government of India, and we have submitted our grievances to Education Minister, DCM, for immediate needful action and the further needful action. Since the re-NEET PISCO is pending in Supreme Court, which it will be pronounced on 8th July 2024. Before pronouncing our grievances and our voice should reach to the Government of India and to the Supreme Court of India through your channel, through your media intervention, through your media pillars. Thank you very much.
Being a parent, हम भी एक अपना ये सेंटिमेंट और दुख दर्द को आप लोग का सामने रखना चाहता हूँ कि इसलिए रखना चाहता हूँ कि आपके जरिए हमारा बच्चों का दुख दर्द, पेरेंट का दुख दर्द, अरुणाचल का इनोसेंट स्टूडेंट का दुख दर्द हमारे अथॉरिटी तक पहुँचे। तो हमारा यहाँ पे 2024 का 2570 का क्वालिफाइड हुआ है बच्चों ने। तो इन सभी ने काफ़ी संघर्ष किया है ये एग्ज़ाम को सक्सेस करने के लिए, क्रैक करने के लिए। और उसका ऐसे ऐसे माँ बाप लोग हैं कि जिसका हैंड टू माउथ वाला है, जिसका पेरेंट वो अपना मोबाइल और इमोबाइल को, प्रॉपर्टी को बिक्री करके बच्चा को फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट करने दिया, उसमें क्रैक नहीं कर पाया, सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट किया, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट किया, लास्टली किसी ने लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्रैक होके खुशी मना रहा था। लेकिन अभी री-नेट का चर्चा चल रहा है। तो इसलिए हम लोग भी, हमारा अरुणाचल का कोई यहाँ पे लीकेज का कोई वो सब पेपर लीकेज क्या वो फेस्को का कोई यहाँ पे कुछ कनेक्शन है नहीं। तो हमारा इनोसेंट चिल्ड्रन डाटर ये सोन को क्यों री-नेट करेगा। इसलिए हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग यहाँ का एज ए पेरेंट हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग अपोज करता है कि हमारा मोदी सरकार और पेमा खांडू सरकार पीपल फ्रेंडली गवर्नमेंट है। इसलिए हमारा दुख दर्द को सुनेगा और हमारा बच्चों का, ये इनोसेंट बच्चों का भविष्य को ये देख देगा बोल के हम लोग एक फोरम ने उम्मीद इसका ये मीडिया के जरिए हम अपना ये को संदेश को भेजना चाहता है। और किसी हमारा अपना बच्चा इस बार क्रैक किया है कि री-नेट किस लिए नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि वंस रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करने के बाद हमारा बच्चा का नोट पेपर हो गया, अपना स्टडी मटेरियल्स हो गया, दोस्त को दे दिया, फ्रेंड को दे दिया, अपना भाई बंधु को दे दिया, वो लेके किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में चला गया, किसी कोचिंग में चला गया, अभी इसको कैसे वापस लाके पढ़ सकेगा। और ये एक हमारा अपना बच्चों का भी ऐसे सारा बच्चों का प्रॉब्लम है। तो इसलिए हम आप लोग का जरिए हम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया या गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कि ये हमारा ये स्टूडेंट को जस्टिस दीजिए, इनजस्टिस मत कीजिए, क्योंकि हमारा बच्चों इनोसेंट है।
As the former two speakers had already said, it is in the air. I mean, there is a lot of rumors about the re-NEET, conduct of re-NEET. All of you are aware about this. Everyone, in every nook and corner of the country, this thing is going on. So we are here for the cause of our children. we are here to say no re-NEET. The NEET cracked or qualified children, their parents, their family are facing acute mental trauma these days. Both children, parents, not only children and parents, even their relatives also. They are facing acute mental trauma. What is their fault? Why they are facing like this? I personally know, if you are a student, how much they have struggled. They have struggled a lot. Some of them have dropped once, twice, thrice, and now they have got it clear, or they could crack it after such a perseverance and after a long struggle. They have just qualified the NEET, and after getting the after getting the result, they rejoice. They have just started rejoicing. Not only the candidate, the families, the parents, the relative, the neighbor. They just by distributing sweets, they started giving parties and all. Their honeymoon is not yet over. About their good rank and good mark, such a big blow. Now you tell me, is it justified for these people, for our children? For none of their fault, they are facing depression, Perhaps most of you will agree with me. If you are having some friend, some relative at your home nearby, those who have cracked the NEET, they are facing a lot of frustration and depression. I have heard some of the children said, when we call them and talk to them, they said they feel like keep on sleeping. They don't feel like waking, remain awake. Because they say that if they remain awake, the same thing comes to their mind. Just imagine. Isn't it a sign of depression? So this is what going on with our children. So, though we know we are very less in number, we might not be able to do such an impact on the central government, but we believe in our own government and the central government both. We believe in both of the government. So that's why we have come forward to put our grievances. Today we call on the CMO office, DCM office, Governor's Secretariat. Everywhere we went, we gave our memorandum, a copy of which is made available to you all, I think.
Yes.
So a copy of which is made available to you all. So through this, we want our voice to make it felt up to the center. And I do hope that definitely our government, the parents, the guardian of all, will never let us fail. They will never let our children suffer like this. My child does not mean only my child. He or she is a child of the state. So what I feel is, this is a sole responsibility of everyone. So we have already apprised our grievances to the minister, to everyone, as I have told you already. So we are grateful to you all, to the media fraternity, for giving us a chance to express our grievances. And through you, I hope wholeheartedly that we will be able to reach every nook and corner of the country in expressing our grievances, our pain, and our plight, our suffering.